SEALANT. We are specialized in the research and development, production and application of two-component polyurethane adhesive products. Now, let me introduce the glue solution of intelligent washing machine and kitchen and bathroom PCB controller. How to make the service life of intelligent control board longer in a high temperature and humidity environment. Foaming sealant coating adhesive can effectively protect PCB control board of intelligent toilets and PCB control board of washing machine. It has the functions of waterproof, moisture-proof, mold-proof, and insulation, and effectively protects the control board in the harsh using environment of high humidity, high temperature, and high vibration, so that it can work normally for a long time. With the innovation of electronic components towards the direction of lightweight, precision development, pay more attention to the stability of coating glue, weather-resistant, low stress, to ensure the stable operation of devices. Foaming sealant has a unique advantage in this respect. The stability of polyurethane molecular structure and natural water resistance, so that the product can pass more than 1,000 hours of double 85 tests. Product features are as below. Meet UL 94BO standard. Excellent liquidity, high transparency, excellent shock resistance, excellent water resistance, good weather resistance and stability. The material has passed the rust, breach, and halogen-free test. Products are used in washing machine, intelligent toilets, intelligent water meter, gas stove indicator, and other PCB board fields. Foaming sealant customizes the solution according to your product needs. Establish the strategic partnership with you. Improve product quality and save the manufacturing costs.